2 million years ago. You were bottom. Massive fangs bare. Sprint into timber. Of the food chain. It's right outside. No second chances. Glowing eyes. Only raw survival. And an ancient mystery. That changed us forever. Stay alert. We weren't alone. The Ancestor awakes. Welcome to the real origin story.
2 million years ago, no weapons, no shelter, and temperatures dropping past the point of human survival. The freeze is setting in. In this era, if the cold doesn't kill you first, the things hunting in the dark will. A world choked in ash. Modern civilization doesn't exist. Only raw, unforgiving wilderness. Every step over obsidian glass cuts to the bone. Pain is a luxury I can't afford right now. Keep scanning the horizon. In the Pleistocene, the moment you relax is the moment you die. Dinotherium, multi-ton beasts towering over the valley. Give them space. The wind carries a scent, predator scent. I'm no longer the hunter out here. One piece of chipped flint. This hand axe is my only line of defense. A boneyard, something massive picked this place clean. Get down. Shadows in the sky mean aerial hunters. Prehistoric vultures. They know a kill is coming. Cracking bones for marrow. Raw energy is the difference between life and starvation. Fear triggers adrenaline. I need that adrenaline to keep moving. A storm is rolling in. An ice age blizzard will freeze blood in minutes. Move. Find cover before the sky breaks. Fresh blood in the brush. We've stumbled right onto a feeding ground. Pashikrakuta, giant hyenas. And they've already spotted us. Back away slowly. Do not trigger their chase instinct. Those jaws can crush solid bone to splinters. Break eye contact. Run. Move through the timber. Don't look back. Just keep pushing. Territorial baboons in the canopy. They're alerting the entire forest. Into the hollow tree. Get inside.
Search everywhere! Search everywhere!
Hold your breath. Don't make a sound. It's right outside. It can smell the sweat. Thunder. The storm startled it off. Clear. Crawl out into the open. The rain washes the scent away, but hypothermia is setting in. The storm is drowning the valley. I need warmth, or I won't see sunrise. Zero visibility. We have to keep moving blind. Chapter 3. The Spark of Life. Smoldering wood. Lightning hit this tree. There, a live ember. Nature just handed us a miracle. Gather dry tinder. Protect the spark at all costs. Gently now. Feed it oxygen. Fire, the ultimate boundary between man and beast. A torch gives us a perimeter. Now we push deeper into the canyon. Night has fallen. The shadows belong to the apex predators. Building a barrier fire in the alcove, out of the wind. Roasting scavenged meat over open flame, calories to fuel the night fight. Looking up at a sky untouched by modern light, pure, raw cosmos. Fire casts long shadows. Out here, your own shadow looks like a monster. Wait, snap of a twig outside.
Who is out there?
Grab the torch. Something is stalking the perimeter. Reflective eyes in the blackness. High up, massive frame. That roar, Homotherium, the scimitar cat. It steps into the light. Look at those daggers. Wave the flame. Force it to respect the fire. It's testing my resolve, digging claws into the mud. Blind reach for the wooden spear. Oh, slowly. It's lunging. Brace. Drive the spear forward. The torch is down. We lost half our vision.
We're not alone.
Hold the line. Keep it off your throat. Smother it with the burning log. Burn it back. It broke off. It's retreating into the dark. Claw marks, deep but not fatal. Apply pressure. Feed the embers, don't let the barrier die out. One tiny ember of humanity in a world of prehistoric giant killers. Exhaustion is pulling me under, just stay awake. Dawn breaks, the fire dies, but I survived. Stepping out into the morning mist, something feels wrong. A low vibration, shaking the rock floor beneath my feet. This isn't animal sound, this is mechanical. Look at that, floating above the stone altar. A black obsidian structure pulsing with impossible light. My body wants to run, but something is drawing me toward it. Alien geometry reflecting off the ancient ice. This shouldn't exist in 2 million BC. Reaching out, touching the unknown. A blinding burst of pure energy. Knowledge flooding in. Stars, geometry, human evolution. The artifact is gone, but the energy remains beneath my skin. Ascending into the clouds without a sound. We were never alone. This is where humanity's true story begins. You just witnessed the dawn of the apex ancestor.